In today's video, we will cover, is smart money trading the best way to trade in these markets, and is there something better? I definitely advise you to watch this video to find out, because I have done plenty of research and this is what I've found. So we've all heard about these institutional methods, trading smart money concepts, which are, the manipulation, grabbing of liquidity, where liquidity lies, order blocks, break of range, mitigation, continuation, looking at, where is imbalances within these charts. And, they can prove Wyckoff like that, and they can prove, huge profits. But are you better off, instead of learning all of that hassle, just trading simple price action? And we'll go into example for me to describe, because the one thing that's in common with these, don't get me mistaken, is they both use price action. But obviously learning institutional methods is more complicated than learning simple price action. So institutional methods, who can actually prove them? If you can tell me that I've learned this from someone who's worked in an institution, I'll tell you, yeah, but I don't think they share that out there. So if you can prove to me that this is actually true and proven, that this is how institutions trade, and I'm sure there will be articles and people can comment down below to prove to me, I'll agree. But these are methods, and this is a way of analyzing price action. But are you wasting your time? Is there something better for account growth? So let's jump right into this example of simple price action. So here's a screenshot of a simple trade that I have taken in the past using simple price action. Now, before we get any deeper, the goal of simple price action is you want to secure about 10 pips a day. Now, I normally work in R, so I normally want to get a certain amount of return per trade. But what you find out is that if you're trying to trade these institutional methods, they take years to learn. And if someone can tell me that I'm a professional institutional level trader with 1 year of experience, I'm going to probably say that they're lying, and I don't think that's true, and that's definitely not possible from my experience. I've been trading for a while now, and I can tell you that that's not true. Now, these institutional methods are very, 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 very profitable, but the problem is that they take years and years to learn. So during that learning period, what are you going to do? You're going to grow your account very, very slowly, and eventually you'll reach there, but it's not the best method. So let's take a look at this simple price action. So simple price action, let's have an overview of what it is. So our goal is not to trade a major pair. This is GBP JPY. Why we don't want to trade a major pair? Because that has manipulation, as you guys may know about smart money concepts. So all pairs do have manipulation, but when you're trading on the higher time frames like the 15, 30 and the 1 hour, it's more unlikely when you're just trading simple price action, because the goal of simple price action is to secure 10 pips a day. So if you take that in a month, you can secure up to probably about 140 pips or maybe more, and you can do this consistently. It's about building a consistent strategy that you can secure 10 pips a day, trade 3 hours a day. Not analyzing like with smart money concepts. You have to make a story to get to the actual entry. It's a whole story. All right, this is what happened. We saw a break of structure here, come down to grab the liquidity. Now we're seeing continuation. Let's wait for that mitigation to fill in that imbalance before we take our buy or sell, and it's a whole story. But with price action, it's nice and simple. So what we can see here, looking at the charts, is this secured about 12 pips, and if you can secure 1 hour a day, you'll make a big difference and grow your account very fast this way, because it's nice and simple. And how is it simple? Well, you look here, you can see that we have clean candles, which mean that there's no resistance. We broke out of this range, okay, and now what happened is after breaking out, this candle here was 10 pips in itself, so you can even take the breakout, but you can see there's no entry for this breakout, and you have to make sure that on the left, looking left, that there is no resistance. Here you can see we came back to fill this range, so we came back in the range, closing a 15-minute candle within the range. What do? You take a sell order, because you can see we have clean traffic here. Next resistance is here, or support is down here, and that's where you put your take profit. So you put your stop loss above the last 15-minute high, you enter on the closure back within the range with the idea that it's going to come down and fill the range. And this is simple price action. You secure 10 pips. This trade took about 30 seconds or like maybe a minute or two, and then that's it. You're done trading for the day. You take you have a regime where you say, I'm going to take 1 to 2 trades a day. I am, let's say 2 trades max. I'm going to trade these hours. I'm going to trade this 2 pairs and only like that. Now, I believe that's the best way to trade. Why? Because you can grow your account organically and quickly. If you learn simple price action, and there's many other examples, let me know, if you want to hear about these examples or not like this, but I just gave you a quick example of price action. As long as looking left, there is no resistance, price should continue up to fill that range or to fill that next resistance, and that's where you secure your 10 pips. In the long run, yes, it seems like, oh, you can get faked out. No, but you have to have confirmations, you have to trade when there's volume in the markets, and this is not a video about how to trade simple price action, this is comparing the two. So what I've actually done is I've gone and I've compared the two, and seen, and we'll conclude it with this Excel document I've made, and let's jump to that. So now we're at this Excel sheet. Now this Excel sheet will probably confuse you, and it looks confusing, and this is the biggest mistake everyone make, is that they look at the results, and smart money results actually have a very, very good results compared to any other method of trading. And people generally think that smart money is the best type of trading because it's based on the results, but it's not about that. It's about consistency as a trader. And the thing is like here, if you look at this, my profits on, here, all the smart money concept trades, I've taken 10 trades for each. And then this is simple price action. You can see here that the reason the count's 9, because I had a break even, is 85% win rate with an average return of 2.67R, which is, not bad. And then here we can see we have a 77% win rate on simple price action, but with a lower, return on, a lower average return. Now you might be thinking, then why aren't you continuing trading smart money? Because if you look at the time, this was taken in 10 days, these trades. To take 10 trades, now I should probably have made another Excel sheet to, develop like in 10 days 10 smart money trades, but some of these trades ran for 2-3 days in smart money. To reach my higher liquidity targets, they ran for a longer time and they took more. Yeah, the profits were bigger, but to catch one of these and to be able to hold, it's not really the best thing. You want to secure profits and keep that consistency going. Trading simple price action has allowed me to compound my account faster. It's less headache. I can develop a routine, and I don't have to be like, you see, when you go to trade smart money, you have to look for the right things to happen, right? You need to wait for that mitigation, and that can happen anytime. But when you trade simple price action, you look at the charts, you look left, no resistance, you take the trade. When volume comes into the market, you take it to the next resistance and you're out. You don't have to wait for anything to happen. You have to wait only for your confirmations. But the thing is, it's not like you don't have to develop a story. So I believe that simple price action is a lot easier to learn. It builds your account faster till you can become amazing at these smart money concepts, and that's the time where you change back to the smart money concept, and you can use that to trade maybe twice a week and take 2 trades, and that'll be enough probably for the month. But in the meantime, you need to grow your account, keep your account growing. This is just my opinion. None of this, this is biased. You guys are probably maybe more profitable than me in a smart money concept. But what I have found, trading for a while now, that simple price action is generally a better way to go. It's easier to do. It grows your account faster. It makes a routine, and it makes trading more long term. I can't tell you how long learning these concepts about smart money. But when you just learn, simple price action, and it works, you follow your rules, you have your plan, you will see amazing account growth. And you will just grow. Your account will grow, and you'll probably end up saying like, there's no point of me learning all of these smart money concepts, because simple price action is actually proving to be something better. Anyways, with that being said, definitely give my channel a like and a subscribe if you would. I do go over smart money concepts. I do like to understand them. I think the more you know, the better you are as a person and in life. But I do also go over simple price action, so definitely be in tune for those videos in the future. With that being said, remember guys, take care, trade sharp, and until next time, peace.